2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.